Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best A13 screen is probably one of the most crucial components of your smartphone, and when it breaks, it can be a real headache. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the world of A13 screen replacements. We'll explore everything you need to know to get your device looking and functioning like new again, from understanding the process to choosing the right replacement. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A13 5G Screen Replacement with Frame. This is a screen replacement for the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. It includes the front frame, making the repair process easier. It's designed to fix common screen issues. Make sure this screen is compatible with your specific model, the A13 series. Confirm the model number before you buy it to ensure it fits your phone. The kit comes with a screen protector and a full set of repair tools. This makes it easy for anyone to replace the screen at home. Use this to replace screens with cracks, dead pixels, or touch problems. It's a simple solution to get your phone working like new again. We recommend watching tutorial videos on YouTube. Search for A13 5G screen replacement to find helpful guides. Following these videos will make the installation much easier. We are committed to providing the best service. If you need any help, please contact us through Amazon messages. We're here to assist you. What we like. This screen replacement includes a front frame, making the installation process much smoother. It also comes with a complete repair toolkit, so you have everything you need right out of the box. If you're a beginner or prefer a hassle-free experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works perfectly. No hassle at all. Husband watched a YouTube video and did himself in an hour. Fantastic results. The kit is very complete, albeit WO instruction, however, as the description clearly states, watch a couple YouTube videos before you pull the trigger. You'll get a sense of the technical details involved. Your mileage may vary. For me, this was the first time I've attempted a screen replacement, and I successfully completed it in 1 hour. Number 4. Samsung A14 5G Screen Replacement with Frame. Is your Samsung A14 5G screen damaged? This OEM quality replacement is a perfect fit. It's made with high-quality materials to restore your phone's display. This replacement screen fixes common problems. It can resolve issues like white screens, dead pixels, and poor picture quality. It will bring your phone back to life. A full set of professional tools is included. These tools will help you disassemble and reassemble your phone with ease. It makes the repair process much simpler. This screen is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, SM, A146U, US version. Please double-check your phone model before you buy it to ensure compatibility. The LCD frame is pre-installed for easier replacement. We recommend watching an online repair video first. This will give you a better understanding of the process. Enjoy peace of mind with a 180-day warranty against non-human damage. We offer 24-hour customer support. Feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This product boasts OEM quality, ensuring a perfect fit and performance for your A14 5G. It also includes a full toolkit, simplifying the repair process. With a 180-day warranty, you can rest assured of its quality and durability. If you prioritize quality and peace of mind, this is the one for you. What people say. The screen works beautifully, is bright and clear, very responsive and quick, no lag time between touch and responses. I'm pleasantly surprised by the quality and completeness of the set of tools that comes in the kit. This kit has a nice bright screen and the digitizer works perfect, and oddly enough the speaker is louder now, which was a major complaint with the other. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A13 5G Screen Replacement Kit. Installing this screen is designed to be straightforward, even for first-timers. However, for the best results, we recommend watching some screen replacement tutorials online before you begin. This screen is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, model SM, A136U, and other compatible versions. Make sure to verify your phone's model number before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. It is a 6.5-inch screen with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution. The replacement screen offers high brightness and sensitivity, providing a clear and vibrant display. You'll enjoy an enhanced visual experience with this replacement. This kit is perfect for resolving display problems like unresponsive touch, distorted images, or cracked screens. It's a comprehensive solution to restore your phone's functionality. The kit includes the screen with frame, screwdrivers, a card pin, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, open shell fragments, and adhesive tape. If you have any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This screen replacement is designed for easy installation, even for first-timers. It offers a high-quality screen with high brightness and 3D touch sensitivity. If you're looking for a vibrant display and a straightforward installation process, this product will not disappoint you. What people say. We ordered this screen replacement, installed it on the phone and it worked. Brand new too. I was able to fix them all within a couple of hours. These worked great. The good LCD works, good buttons all work. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A13 5G screen replacement. This screen replacement is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G model A136U. It's important to verify your phone's model before purchasing to ensure compatibility. This screen is not for A13 4G or A136B. Is your screen cracked, broken, or unresponsive? This replacement screen can fix a variety of issues. It addresses problems like dead pixels, touch malfunctions, display problems, and incorrect colors. Each screen replacement undergoes rigorous quality control. It's double-tested to ensure it's in perfect condition before shipping. You can expect a screen free of scratches, dead pixels, and any other defects. The package includes high-quality tools to make installation easier. These tools will help you replace the screen more conveniently. The screen is also packed in a sturdy box to prevent damage during shipping. We recommend testing the screen before installation to ensure it functions correctly. If you're not experienced with phone repairs, consider seeking professional help. Installation guide videos are available if you need them. What we like. This screen replacement is designed for easy installation with included tools. It has passed strict quality control tests, ensuring a reliable product. If you're facing issues like a cracked screen or touch problems, it's the perfect solution for you. What people say. Works perfect just as expected. Easy to install and durable. Easy to install, looks and fits perfect. My phone, it's working like new again. Excellent product. This is by far the best option I have come across, coming with everything you need to do the swap, quality tools compared to other options, and all the seals needed so you don't have to pull and replace any manually. 3M glue strips, not the knockoff stuff. Just overall, I highly recommend choosing this item. Number 1. Yodoit Samsung Galaxy A13 5G screen replacement. Is your Samsung Galaxy A13 5G screen damaged? Don't worry, this replacement screen is the perfect solution. It's designed to fix cracks, unresponsiveness, and dead pixels. This screen assembly is compatible with Samsung Galaxy A13 5G models SM, A136U, SM, A136U1, SM, A136W, and SM, S136DL. It ensures a perfect fit for your device. The replacement screen comes with a front frame, making the installation process easier. This helps to ensure everything aligns correctly. The package includes a full set of tools to help you replace the screen. You can fix your phone in about 30 minutes, saving you time and money. For a smooth installation, we recommend watching the tutorial videos available on YouTube. This will guide you through the process step by step. What we like. This screen replacement comes with a frame, simplifying the installation process. It includes a whole set of tool kits, making the repair easier and safer. If you're looking for a quick and safe way to fix your screen, it's a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit with no issues. Everything was there. This was pretty easy to install and it worked just as it was intended. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.